pleasure.
You say none of it?
Yeah.
Right,
No, I'm going on this as well. Hi guys, I'm Paul of Christian Social Hobby Michael. It's a 3 on 3.
Don't worry about me, guys.
It's not even left yet. Please, Handman. Go. Handman. No, I didn't Handman this time. Didn't Handman that time. Oh my God, 3 on 3. We missed it. Here it comes. Sharing the distance. We missed the last one. Is it coming?
Oh.
I'll stand back. Basically, just take a break for it. They're leaning on the barriers. And they shouldn't. Right. We've got 3 on 3 coming in for our 5 Delta 80 service to Brighton, which me and Michael caught before. There she is in the distance.
What? I've actually never caught it.
She's coming.
I've seen one, but I never caught it on camera.
Let's go, Mike 3 if we've gone down this early for 3 on 3.
Well, I'm letting you read the numbers because no way.
They're the same place as the 377, but it's just like quite small.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's definitely 3 on 3.
I'll let you read it then.
This crosses like these trains like from Seaford. They're south. It's coastway trains.
Seagull! Miss you, Seagull!
I can't believe it, Barry came, man. Get a lot bloody Barry.
Get up the boat.
Show. There she comes. Stand back and wait. Like, come,
Oh
like
my
that.
God.
Wait. Not now. Right, come.
I don't care. I want to get the camera.
Here she comes. Got 3 on 3.
I'll let you read it. Shout loud so my viewers can hear it.
Yeah, well, Dave. Right, through! 3 on 3, 201!
3 on 3, 2
3 on 3, 201 to Brighton, and.
Up they go. Thank you guys. See you next video.
Yeah, they go 3 on 3, 201. Didn't 2, unfortunately, but right, yeah, go clean the video.